In this video, I will show you how to do P2tog, Purl 2 together. Purl 2 together is a decreasing stitch often used in knitting. It looks identical to the knit 2 together stitch from the other side. So if you are working on the stockinette stitch like this piece, and if you did Purl 2 together on the wrong side of the work, which is right here, the stitch appears right slanted decrease like this one from the right side of the work. If you are not familiar with the knit 2 together, I have a separate tutorial on how to knit a knit 2 together stitch. Click the pop-up on the right corner right here, or go to the descriptions down below. Now let me show you how to do Purl 2 together stitch. If we are going to purl a stitch, usually we are going to insert the right needle from right side of the stitch to the left and then purl on one stitch. Purl 2 together is to purl 2 stitches together. So we are going to insert the right needle into the first stitch just like to purl, and also insert into the second stitch, and then we are going to purl these stitches together, and then drop those 2 stitches off the left needle. That's Purl 2 together. Let's try one more time. Insert into the first stitch and then second stitch, wrap the yarn around and purl 2 stitches together. And as I mentioned before, when you flip the side, you see the stitch looks just like knit 2 together. I hope this tutorial was helpful to do Purl 2 together stitch. And don't forget to hit subscribe for future tutorials. If you have any question, feel free to comment down below. Happy knitting! Bye bye!